Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Danny.
And I'm Olivia. We're really happy you're here learning with us today.
Today we have a long story lesson. It's about a situation that can happen to anyone.
Yes, imagine you are outside enjoying your day and suddenly you lose your phone.
That moment feels scary and stressful.
But it's also a great chance to practice English.
Today's episode is called I Lost My Phone, Asking for Help in English.
In this episode, you will learn how to ask for help, explain a problem, describe objects, and talk about your feelings.
We'll go slowly, we'll repeat important phrases, and we'll practice together.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
It helps us create more lessons for you.
Okay, let's start our story.
It's a sunny morning. I wake up early and check my phone.
What do you usually do on your phone in the morning?
I check messages and look at the weather.
That's realistic. Many people do that.
I say, today looks like a good day.
Repeat that sentence with us.
Today looks like a good day.
Good job.
I put my phone in my pocket and leave my apartment.
You're going to a cafe.
Yes, I walk into a small cafe near my home.
You order coffee.
I say, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?"
That's a polite order.
The worker smiles and gives me my drink.
Everything feels calm and normal.
I sit down at a table and use my phone while drinking coffee.
You send a few messages.
Yes, after 10 minutes, I stand up to leave.
And then something happens.
I reach into my pocket and my phone is gone.
That's the shocking moment.
I freeze and whisper, "Oh no, I think I lost my phone."
Repeat that important sentence.
I think I lost my phone.
Again.
I think I lost my phone.
Your voice sounds worried.
My heart is beating fast. I look at the table.
You search carefully.
I say, "Where is it? Where is my phone?"
That shows confusion.
I check my bag and my other pocket.
But it's not there.
I say, "This is bad. I really lost it." Practice break. Expressing a problem.
Olivia, I lost my keys.
Danny, I lost my wallet.
Olivia, I can't find my bag.
Danny, I can't find my glasses.
Olivia, repeat all of them out loud.
Danny, good practice builds confidence. Danny, I walk to the cafe worker.
Olivia, you speak politely.
Danny, excuse me, can you help me?
Olivia, repeat that phrase.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Olivia, the worker asks, of course, what's wrong?
Danny, I think I lost my phone. I can't find it.
Olivia, clear and simple.
Danny, the worker asks, where did you last see it?
Olivia, that question is very important.
Danny, I think for a moment and say, I last saw it on my table.
Olivia, repeat that structure.
Danny, I last saw it.
Olivia, I last saw it in my bag.
Danny, I last saw it in my hand.
Olivia, excellent.
Danny, the worker asks, what does your phone look like?
Olivia, now you describe it.
Danny, it's a black phone with a blue case.
Olivia, add more details.
Danny, it's medium-sized and a little old.
Olivia, describing objects helps people understand.
Danny, I add, the screen has a small scratch.
Olivia, that's a useful detail.
Danny, the worker nods and says, okay, let's look around.
Practice break. Describing objects.
Olivia, repeat after us. Danny, it's black.
Olivia, it's small.
Danny, it's new.
Olivia, it has a blue case.
Danny, it has a small scratch.
Olivia, simple descriptions are powerful.
Danny, I decide to ask other people in the cafe.
Olivia, you feel nervous, but you try.
Danny, I walk to a man and say, "Excuse me, did you see a phone on the table?"
Olivia, repeat that question.
Did you see a phone on the table?
Olivia, the man says, "No, sorry, I didn't see it."
Danny, thank you anyway.
Olivia, politeness matters.
Danny, I ask another person the same question.
Olivia, repetition helps in real life.
Danny, each time I say, "Excuse me, did you see my phone?"
Olivia, even if the answer is no, you stay calm.
Danny, after asking many people, I feel scared.
Olivia, you express your emotions.
Danny, I'm really worried.
Olivia, repeat.
Danny, I'm really worried.
Olivia, another sentence.
Danny, I feel stressed.
Olivia, and one more.
Danny, I feel nervous.
Olivia, naming feelings helps communication.
Danny, I take a deep breath and say, "Stay calm."
Olivia, repeat.
Danny, stay calm. Danny, I return to the worker and say, "Can I use your phone to call my friend?"
Olivia, repeat that request.
Danny, can I use your phone to call my friend?
Olivia, agrees.
Danny, I smile and say, "Thank you so much."
Olivia, gratitude is important.
Danny, I call my friend and say, "Hi, I lost my phone. Can you help me?"
Olivia, your friend asks your location.
Danny, I answer, "I'm at the cafe on Main Street."
Olivia, giving locations is a key skill.
Practice break, giving locations. Danny, I'm at the cafe.
Olivia, I'm at home.
Danny, I'm at the store.
Olivia, I'm at the bus stop.
Danny, clear and simple sentences. Danny, while I wait, I sit down and think.
Olivia, you replay your actions.
Danny, I say, "Maybe I dropped it."
Olivia, or
Danny, maybe it's under the table.
Olivia, you check again carefully.
Danny, I bend down and look around.
Olivia, but you still don't see it.
Danny, my friend arrives quickly.
Olivia, your friend says, "Let's try calling your phone."
Danny, that's a smart idea.
Olivia, he calls your number.
Danny, you both listen carefully.
Olivia, at first, we hear nothing.
Danny, then a faint sound appears. Danny, I whisper, "Wait, I hear something."
Olivia, you follow the sound.
Danny, it comes from under a chair near my table.
Olivia, the big moment.
Danny, I look down and shout, "Oh, here it is."
Olivia, repeat that happy sentence.
Danny, here it is.
Again.
Danny, here it is. Danny, I pick up my phone and smile.
Olivia, how do you feel?
Danny, I'm so relieved.
Olivia, relief means the problem is over.
Danny, I thank my friend and the worker.
Olivia, you say, "Thank you for your help."
And, "Thank you so much."
Olivia, kind words build good relationships.
Now listen to the full dialogue again. Danny, excuse me, can you help me?
Olivia, of course, what's wrong?
Danny, I think I lost my phone. I can't find it.
Olivia, where did you last see it?
Danny, I last saw it on my table. It's a black phone with a blue case.
Olivia, did you ask other people?
Danny, yes, but they didn't see it.
Olivia, let's call your phone.
Danny, wait, I hear it. Oh, here it is.
Olivia, great.
Danny, I'm so relieved. Thank you for your help. Extended practice. Role play variations.
Olivia, let's change the object.
Danny, I lost my keys.
Olivia, I lost my bag.
Danny, I lost my wallet.
Olivia, I lost my wallet.
Practice the same conversation. Danny, excuse me, I lost my keys.
Olivia, where did you last see them?
Danny, I last saw them on the counter.
Olivia, excellent practice.
Danny, when problems happen, calm language helps.
Olivia, short sentences are best.
Danny, speak slowly.
Olivia, ask clear questions.
Danny, and listen carefully.
Olivia, these skills work everywhere.
Final recap. Danny, let's review the key phrases.
Olivia, I think I lost my phone.
Danny, excuse me, can you help me?
Olivia, where did you last see it?
Danny, I last saw it on